What is up, everybody? My name is Logan. I just want to give a quick shout out to the man, Ty Lopez, for helping me scale my Amazon business from $13,000 a month in sales all the way up until $20,000 a month in sales.
2016, back in August, I was making $40,000 a year. I was working as a financial administrator. Fast forward to now, March of 2017, I'm doing over $60,000 in gross monthly sales. I have over 30 staff members, and I'm working in 3 different states: California, Illinois, and Florida.
Hi, my name is Evan Seach, and I'm a high school enrolled in Ty Lopez's social media marketing agency program. My main motivation to actually enroll in the program was the fact that my family's restaurant was struggling severely with gaining new clientele, and in 3 short months, I gained them tons of new customers and actually acquired myself 2 new clients, each paying me $1,200 a month to manage their internet marketing and social media. So basically what this program has done, and it's given me the great opportunity to make money next year when I enroll in college from my dorm room doing something I enjoy and something I love. Basically, I think this program is great for anyone who wants to commit to something great and actually is ready for change in their life. So, thank you.
Before starting social media marketing, I was a personal trainer. I also ran my own online health and fitness business, and I was even in network marketing. And in my first month, I closed 1 client at $1,000 and my second client at $1,500.
I landed Mike Tyson as a new client. He's opening up boxing gyms across the globe, so I'm going to be dealing with the social media for all of Mike Tyson academies, gyms across the world. So it's going to be a great project, and I'm really excited.
I'm at about 14 clients now. I got 4 new clients this week. I'm super excited. It's been since February. I'm probably at, and I'm lowballing like you told me, Ty, I'm probably at $10,000 a month. I did everything you told me to do, and I've been successful. I've been able to mentor 2 other girls, one out of Chicago and one out of Texas, and they're getting clients. I think your program is amazing. My life changed because of you, and I'm forever grateful to you.
Hi, Ty. This is Karen from Hong Kong. Thank you so much for your contribution in SMMA. After I finished Sam Olsen's consulting training, I think I want to have deeper understanding about how to use social media marketing to help business to get more clients. That's the reason I joined in. And after I finished week 2 or week 3 training, I got clients, and so far I earned around $13,600 US within 4 months.
I just wanted to say thank you, and that if you're thinking about social media marketing training, you definitely need to get on it because it has been life-changing to me and my family so far.
I personally do it for e-commerce. I know other friends that are in the program that do it for their network marketing business. It doesn't matter. Whatever business you do, you need an online appearance, and this program will help you with that.
I've taken no other courses. There's no need for it. I never spent an extra dollar.